welcome to the channel today. Today we're going to be swapping a battery in this Volkswagen key. First of all, you're going to need a 2032 battery. You can pick these up pretty much anywhere. They are quite a common one, and that's a 2032. So we'll pop that to one side. As you can see, it's a 3-button key. This key is on quite a lot of the Volkswagen models. It's a flip key. If your key looks like this, changing the battery will be exactly the same. So if you look in here, we've got a small little indentation there. You can just see it. And there's a little small one there. So we need something fine. And is what we're going to do, we're going to remove this rear panel to access the battery. So we go in there, in that front section, and just push down slightly and then push up. That's released the front half. And then we just go in the little back half there. And that's just released the back half enough so we can get our fingers in between there. And if you carefully pull at the front, carefully pull at the back, it's a little bit stiff coming off, and there you go, there's the lid removed to reveal the battery. And if you just get a small screwdriver there, this 2032 battery is placed in positive side upwards. So just go in the little indentation there and just keep your finger on, because these batteries in this key, they're quite springy as they come out. So we'll just pop the key down a minute. There's your battery. Positive side is the smooth side. Negative side always has like a slight dome to it. So we'll just get the new battery I've taken out of the packet earlier, which is here. And then when we place the battery in, we just go in this way first, so it goes in, and then just push down into place. That's your battery in place. We get the rear cover then, which hooks in that end first into the back edge of the key, and we bring the key up to place, and we'll literally clip it together like that. Close everything up. That's job done. And there's a little LED light here, so if you just want to test it afterwards, if you press that, you can see we get a little flashing light. So that's job done, and that's your Volkswagen key battery changed. Thanks for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe, and check out our other videos.